range of your cylinder, and then you kind of get an idea of what you're talking about.
So I was looking first for motors, and I couldn't find any motors that had anywhere near that torque.
Yeah, so it depends on what kind of motor you use. We'll typically run our motors up towards close to 6,000 RPM.
Oh.
But that's the problem with motors, right, is that in order to generate any power, they have to run fast. If you use something on the order of a piston, then you don't need that.
So I think the goal for the end of today would be to have all the parts ordered so we can do a full test out of pneumatics, and as much of the elbow part of the skeleton built as possible, ready to attach the hardware to. Let's see, who wants to work on the elbow?
I'll work.
Okay.
I'll do whatever.
Okay, and then in the next milestone would be to get a working elbow, and that'll take as long as it takes.
There we go. There's number one.
Okay, so this is one of our tests for the Hall Effect Center. Basically what we're going to use it for is you're going to have some kind of magnet around your wrist, and depending on where your wrist is in relation to the sensors on the actual suit, it will tell the actuators to go a certain direction. So if you can see this, pretend this is the wristband. If you move it towards this little Hall Effect sensor, which you can pretend is part of the suit, as you turn on, this light represents movement.
This will just be kind of
Okay, this is a reasonable system test here. Except the only thing is the sensor's down here instead of up there. That is pretty cool.
That's pretty awesome.
Now we just need 20 more of these and we're done. The wire's going to feed through here and melt. This is the first complete closed loop test of the thing, so let's see what happens.
Yes.
Something.
It's because it's inverted. Because it's hard to move my arm away. Yeah. So we've got the armature all set up here. We've got just bolts going through each joint instead of actual motors or anything. And we're just going to stand this up and try it on, so to speak.